Sri Manila Nanavati Vocational Training Institute for Women provides you with 2 years and 3 years diploma courses affiliated by Maharashtra Board of Technical Education. In the field of fashion, MSBT offers a 2 years and 3 years course. Diploma in Dress Designing and Manufacturing is a 2 years full-time course, while Diploma in Fashion and Textile Designing is a 3 years part-time course. During the academics, we train the students in various subjects like fashion illustration, surface ornamentation, range development, textile designing, basics of textile design, fundamentals of design, and many more. We conduct live practical sessions on tie and dye, block printing, eco-printing, screen printing, and many more. For more details, visit us on www.mnvti.edu.in and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Thank you.